Different types of plantation shutters for homeowners searching in Toronto and Ontario, Canada. Plantation shutters come in a variety of styles and materials, each offering unique advantages to suit your preferences and the overall design of your space. From classic wood shutters to modern, sleek aluminum options, there is a wide range of choices available to you. Some of the most popular types of plantation shutters include 1. Solid wood shutters. Offering a timeless and traditional look, solid wood shutters are a popular choice for their natural beauty and durability. 2. Composite shutters. These shutters combine the aesthetic appeal of wood with the enhanced durability and low-maintenance properties of composite materials. 3. Vinyl shutters. Vinyl shutters are a cost-effective option that provide excellent insulation and are highly resistant to weathering and fading. 4. Aluminum shutters. Aluminum shutters are a contemporary choice, offering a sleek and modern appearance while being lightweight and easy to operate. Advantages of using plantation shutters for large windows for homeowners in Toronto and Ontario, Canada. When it comes to large windows, custom-made plantation shutters in Toronto offer a number of distinct advantages. Firstly, they are designed to fit seamlessly within the frame of your windows, providing a cohesive and visually appealing look that enhances the overall aesthetic of your space. Additionally, these shutters offer superior light control, allowing you to precisely adjust the amount of natural light entering the room, which can be particularly beneficial for large, sun-drenched windows. Another key advantage of using plantation shutters for large windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. The insulating properties of these shutters can help regulate the temperature in your home, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems and ultimately leading to lower energy costs. Factors to consider when choosing custom-made plantation shutters. When selecting custom-made plantation shutters in Toronto, there are several factors to consider to ensure you make the best choice for your home. 1. Window size and shape. Measure your windows accurately to ensure the shutters you choose will fit perfectly. 1. This is particularly important for large or uniquely shaped windows. 2. Material. Decide on the material that best suits your needs, whether it's classic wood, durable composite, or sleek aluminum. 3. Style and finish. Choose a style and finish that complements the overall design of your space, from traditional to contemporary. 4. Functionality. Consider the level of light control and insulation you require, as well as any special features like tilt and turn mechanisms. 5. Budget. Determine your budget and explore the range of options available to find the best value for your investment. Contact one of our expert window treatment specialists at Diamond Custom Shutters to arrange your free window covering measurement in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. You can reach us at 416-571-3315. If you need to learn more about what else we do at Diamond Custom Shutters, feel free to watch our other videos. Please like, share and subscribe and have a great day.